Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover the real truths behind beauty products so you can make informed choices that truly work for you. Today, I'm introducing a product that promises drama, precision, and staying power. Clarins Waterproof Eye Pencil in Black Tulip. This gel-formulated pencil is designed to give you bold, intense color while being completely waterproof, and it comes equipped with a retractable tip, built-in sharpener, and a smudger. Basically everything you need for that effortless smoky eye look. On first glance, this pencil feels luxuriously smooth. The gel formulation glides across the lid without tugging, which is a major plus if you have sensitive eyes. The pigment is rich and dark, true black, so it really makes your eyes pop. I found the retractable tip incredibly convenient. It keeps the pencil clean and precise, and the built-in sharpener is perfect for maintaining a fine line whenever needed. The smudger is soft yet effective, making it easy to create a smoky blended finish without looking messy. In terms of daily wear, this pencil performed impressively. I tested it throughout a busy day, including a brief run in the rain, and it stayed put without smudging or fading. Removal required a gentle makeup remover, but that's standard for a waterproof formula. The only minor note is that because it's so highly pigmented, a light hand is needed to avoid an overly harsh line on the first swipe, but that's something you get used to quickly. So what do I love about this pencil? Its intense pigmentation, waterproof resilience, and multifunctional design. The smudger and built-in sharpener really elevate it above your typical eyeliner pencil. On the flip side, it's on the pricier side for a single pencil, and those with very oily lids might still need a primer for all-day wear. When it comes to value, you're paying for a high-end product that genuinely delivers performance and convenience in one sleek package. Compared to other luxury eye pencils, Clarins stands out for its creamy texture and the thoughtful inclusion of a smudger and sharpener, features not always included even at similar price points. The build quality feels premium. The pencil is sturdy, the retractable mechanism is smooth, and the smudger tip holds up well over repeated use. For longevity, this pencil maintained its quality over several weeks of daily testing, so you can count on it to perform consistently. If you're looking for a slightly more budget-friendly alternative, there are options that offer good pigmentation and waterproof wear, but they often lack the integrated tools that make this pencil so convenient. In my opinion, for someone who wants a reliable, all-in-one eyeliner for both precise lines and smoky looks, this is worth the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. All in all, Clarins Waterproof Eye Pencil delivers bold, long-lasting color with the bonus of multifunctional design. It's ideal for anyone who loves a dramatic, polished eye look that won't budge. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.